Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to do my May makeup basket. These are all the products that I currently have in my makeup bag that sits on my vanity and are my go-to items for quick looks that I'm just ready to put on some makeup, get out and go. And these are the products that I will be testing, working on, and trying to use up during this month. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I love to start these videos with how I apply my makeup. So let's get into it. First thing here is my eyeshadow primer, and I'm actually running super low on this, so I might have to purchase either another one or go get a new primer for later this month. But this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. It is what I am using underneath my eyeshadow today. Super cheap. It's $3. You can get it at a drugstore or Target. I have the shade Sheer. I don't know if they have any other shades. That is the one I currently am using. Highly recommend this. Really easy, really affordable. And then for eyeshadows this month, you guys, if you don't know, I am doing a Pan That palette. I will link my playlist up above for you guys who are interested. But I am still working on eyeshadow in Vanilla, and this should be done by this month. I have that eyeshadow I'm working on. Also have the Pan That palette that I am working on for this year. Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. I will link the update up above for you guys interested. And then I am throwing in this month the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival eyeshadow palette, and this is just a super fun spring summer palette with the blues, purples, golds, browns, all that kind of stuff. So love pulling this palette out during this time of the year. Other eyeshadow products that I really like that are in this basket are the Trestique Mini Shadow Crayon. This is in Morimoto Pink Pearl, and this is such a gorgeous shade. It is perfect for like a really easy throw it all on, put some bronzer in your crease and you're good to go. So I really like having a cream eyeshadow like that, as well as the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Wanderlust. This is super gorgeous as well. Has a little bit more gold flecks to it, if you can see right there. So I like having something like that, especially these Stila ones. They dry up and kind of get old really fast, so trying to work on those. For liners, I only have one liquid eyeliner I'm currently working on. This is the Lime Life by Lancome Perfect Eyeliner Pen, and I'm almost done with this one as well. I just used up my Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day liquid liner, which is my favorite. I have tested it against many different eyeliners here on my channel, so I can link a video up above for y'all interested. But I am going to finish this, get a new Stila one, and then we will go back to those battles. But this month I'm just going to work on finishing this baby. For mascara, I have been using this deluxe sample and really enjoying it. It's currently on my eyes now and super pretty. I love how separating and volumizing this is. It kind of definitely lengthens as well. This is the Lancome Idol Lash in Glossy Black, and I really like the shape of this brush. So it's kind of a curved shape, as you can tell. So I really like to push my lashes up and then flip it and kind of coat them in that way. So that way you get the length and the volume, in my opinion. Really have enjoyed this. I love the packaging too, so definitely going to keep playing with that this month. Brows, I have two products. One is always with me, you guys may know. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara, and it is just my favorite little guy. Super easy to use. Has a little spoolie brush that you just kind of one and done. Just flick it into your eyebrows. It kind of tames the beast as well as kind of gives a nice coating all across. Highly recommend it. And then what I have been working on lately though is the Winky Luxe Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. This has a kind of triangle tip to it, so really easy to kind of draw on your brows, and then it has the spoolie to kind of fan it out. But I still kind of like a gel. So when using this, I would probably prefer to use like Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I've used the Maybelline one in the past. It's too liquidy in my opinion. So definitely check out the Anastasia one if you're interested in a clear brow gel. But still kind of working on that. But really easy, quick and go days, I'm reaching for my Essence one. For foundations, things like that, Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream SPF 35. You will see a lot of this in the spring, summertime. Really easy, one and done. I don't need to put on an SPF. I don't need to put on a primer. Just put this on and I'm good to go. But I have been trying to reach for my foundations and stuff more. So I have a Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Use so many of these up. My favorite primer. It has a nice, like, iridescent kind of glow to it. It's right there. So it just kind of gives a nice kind of glow without being super highlighty in your face. I used to use the Becca Backlight Primer and I had a Burberry one. I think I compared the two in a video. If I can find that video, I'll link it up above. But this is kind of my favorite for my primer underneath my foundations. And then right now I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation. I got this in a influencer box and I did, I think, a full video on it. Haven't reached it out since because I was trying to use up my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundations. But this is in the shade Light Beige. I still really like the pump, how it kind of twists down and up. So really like this. I'm going to work on it more this month. I also, in my recent Sephora haul, I will tag it up above. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm still kind of confused by this. It says you can wear it on its own or like under or on top of makeup. It kind of gives like a glowy look, but I don't know if I need it with that primer. So I'm going to play with this a little bit more. Maybe you guys can kind of help me understand. The color I got was Fair number 3. I don't know. If you love this product, let me know down below how you use it. Concealer, a Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. I'm actually starting, you can see, to scrape the edges of this. So coming to the end of this, I don't have any backups currently, so I need to buy a backup of this. There's definitely an Ulta run in my future. Need to get that. And then I have a liquid highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. Really been enjoying this. And it looks like I'm going to be done with it really soon, which is really sad. This is the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. And super pretty. I have done it a couple of videos, like Chit Chat Get Ready With Me videos, showing you guys kind of what these products look like if you're interested. But that is what it looks like, and then you just kind of blend it out. It's kind of like a really natural glowy highlight, and I like to put this on top of my foundation but under my powder. For powders, and y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, this is my powder right now. I'm gonna definitely be done very soon. Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, and I probably have one more use of this baby up. I will definitely be repurchasing this. Costs like $7, not sure. Really easy to put on. I have it on my face today. Really like it. The other kind of face powders I have and I'm using is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting 3 palette. And I have been using the shade Dim Light a whole lot. I have hit a major pan on it since last month, updating you guys. Really have been using this this highlighter up as well, and then I'm still using those two blushes as my main blushes. Today I'm actually using Mood Exposure in a kind of full-size product that's not in this palette, so really been enjoying those. And then for lip products, I have kind of 3 different things that I've been doing. For a more nude look, my favorite combo is the Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick, and this is in a Project Pan. And that is what that looks like. Just kind of a really kind of matte, creamy, like peach nude shade. And I top it with my Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Lip Gloss in Pillow Talk. So it kind of goes like that. And that's kind of been the neutral look I've been going for. And then I also have what I'm wearing today, which is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Purity. I have used up one of these in the past. I can't remember what the shade was called, but it made me fall in love with these. And since putting this on this week, I forgot how good these are, especially under a mask. Like, especially under a mask. So this is the shade right there, and I had like a pinky red before, but these just, you can wear a mask, take the mask off, and your lips still look like this, like barely smudge proof. It is super awesome, and definitely check this out. They have a whole bunch of different kind of shades, things like that. And then I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, and I just purchased in the Sephora sale Gracefully Pink, and this has been really fun to wear in the spring summertime as well. One, look how gorgeous that lipstick looks, and then that is the shade Swatch, just a really pretty hot pink. So that is everything that is in my makeup basket for May. Definitely have some fun products to try out. Really excited about the lip product specifically. My husband, when he saw me in this lipstick, was like, "You're very pretty." Even Jackson thought that this was pretty, my 3-year-old. So I'm just like loving lip products right now. We now are under, in North Carolina, a mandate you don't have to wear face masks out in public. By the time you see this, will almost have my second shot. Fingers crossed symptoms and everything aren't too bad. But yes, I'm excited to kind of have energy back from the first trimester now that I'm in the second, and play with makeup again. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.